In the past few weeks, I have been working on decorating my home for spring, and to catch you all up, I have already decorated my living room, my kitchen, my bedroom for spring, and today is the day that I go ahead and finish decorating everything else in between. Alright, so first thing is first, I am here in my boys' room. My boys are 6 and 3 years old, and this is their shared bedroom. As of now, it's very plain, very boring. After Christmas, it's just been pretty boring and bland. So, I'm going to start off with by taking down these curtains. You guys, I'm in spring cleaning mode, so these curtains are coming down obviously for a wash. That way they're ready to go in the winter time, but in the meantime, I'll be hanging up something a little bit different. But I will be rolling up this rug over here, and you know what, since the rug is rolled up, why not use this opportunity to go ahead and vacuum this floor and mop it. This portion of today's video is in partnership with Matace. Matace is a carpet tile company that sells carpet tiles. I received mine in the color brown and gray. I just thought those two colors would look so wonderful together, the perfect amount of cool and warm tones, but this is enough tile to cover 86 square feet. So after doing this little rug situation in my boys' room, I still had quite a bit left for other rooms. But after installation, like I said before, I had quite a bit left over, but these carpet tiles are very quick DIY installation. They use premium quality materials, and also they're very easy to wash and clean. And I chose to lay mine out in a checkered pattern. If you guys know, then you know checkered pattern is so in right now, whether it's in your textiles, your rugs, whatever. This is such a fun way to create that look for less. But honestly, this is very versatile. You can create any design you want. On their website, they actually have different colors, different shapes to choose from, and the best part about this is you don't need any glue, any rug tape, none of that hassle stuff. You literally just lay it on the ground and it goes nowhere, which is amazing. I could really appreciate that since it is going here in my boys' room. But these carpet tiles are very easy to clean. Like, you can run them with a vacuum cleaner just as you would with any rug. If you don't have a washer like I don't, you can just take out the piece that is dirty, wash it with some running water and soap, and it is seriously that easy. Then just install it back after it dries. Or if you do have a washing machine, you literally just fold it in half, throw it in there, and it does the job for you. But if you guys are interested in building your own little piece of carpet situation, I have a discount code for you guys that you guys can use. So use Anna18 for 18% off. I will go ahead and leave the tiles that I have down below, as well as the website that you can check out and kind of customize it for your home. Moving straight along, I am adding these beautiful curtains. They are from IKEA, and I actually had them in my living room during winter time. So you guys, that is the beauty of neutral home decor. You can just make it flow from room to room and it just looks beautiful wherever you put. But I love these. They go all the way down to the floor and something about them just screams spring.